Imagine a world where trucks glide silently down highways, emitting nothing but water. This was the vision of Nikola Corporation, a bold entrant into the electric and hydrogen fuel cell vehicle market. Founded with the ambitious mission to transform the transportation industry, Nikola Corporation set its sights on developing two revolutionary types of vehicles: electric trucks and hydrogen fuel cell trucks. These vehicles promise to reduce carbon emissions drastically, positioning Nikola as a potential leader in an evolving market thirsty for sustainable solutions. At the heart of Nikola's strategy were its electric trucks, designed to harness the power of battery technology for short to medium haul routes. Complementing these were their hydrogen fuel cell trucks, envisioned to cover longer distances without the need for frequent refueling, a game changer in logistics and freight transport. The initial buzz around Nikola's innovative technology was palpable. Investors and industry watchers were captivated, propelling the company's stock price to an astonishing high of $90 by mid-2020. The future seemed bright, with Nikola poised to redefine trucking as we knew it. However, the landscape shifted dramatically when a promotional video meant to showcase a fully functional hydrogen truck was revealed to have been misleading. The video, which depicted the truck cruising at high speeds, was later discovered to have been staged. The truck was not operating under its own power, but was instead being towed by a diesel vehicle. This revelation sent shockwaves through the industry and investor community, leading to a steep decline in investor confidence and stock value. The fallout was swift and severe. General Motors, which had initially shown interest in forming a strategic partnership with Nikola, decided to step back, further dampening the company's prospects. Stock prices plummeted, erasing millions in market value overnight. From groundbreaking promises to significant setbacks, Nikola's journey encapsulates the highs and lows of pioneering technology. As we delve deeper into Nikola's story, it becomes a compelling case study of innovation, ambition, and the challenges that come with disrupting deeply entrenched industries. In a market as volatile as electric vehicles, understanding the trends is key to foreseeing the future. Today, we delve into the current market dynamics surrounding Nikola Corporation, a contender in the electric and hydrogen fuel cell vehicle industry that has seen its fair share of turbulence. Currently, Nikola's stock price hovers around 50 cents, a stark contrast from its mid-2020 peak of $90. This dramatic decline followed revelations that promotional footage of its hydrogen-powered truck was misleading, showing the vehicle being towed by a diesel truck rather than operating under its own power. This scandal not only plummeted stock prices, but also led to severed ties with major industry player General Motors. Despite these setbacks, the electric and hydrogen fuel cell market continues to grow, driven by increasing environmental concerns and supportive governmental policies. However, Nikola's journey through this landscape has been notably rocky compared to its competitors. Speaking of competitors, let's consider Tesla and Rivian, industry leaders in the electric vehicle space. Tesla continues to dominate with its broad range of electric vehicles and expansive supercharger network. Rivian, although newer to the market, has made significant waves with its focus on electric adventure vehicles, appealing to a niche yet growing customer base. Nikola's unique selling proposition lies in its focus on hydrogen fuel cell technology, which is less mainstream but offers the advantages of faster refueling times and longer range potential compared to traditional battery electric vehicles. However, the market's hesitancy towards this technology due to infrastructure challenges has made Nikola's path more difficult. As we compare Nikola to its competitors, it's clear that market positioning and product offerings play critical roles. While Tesla and Rivian have successfully capitalized on market trends and consumer preferences, Nikola is still striving to find its foothold. As the tides of investor confidence ebb and flow, Nikola's future hinges on its ability to navigate these turbulent market waters. Let's peel back the financial layers to understand Nikola's core economic health. In the first quarter of 2024, Nikola reported revenues of $7.5 million. This figure marks a significant downturn from the third quarter of 2022, where revenues peaked at $24.2 million. This decline is not just a number. It underscores a broader narrative of financial turbulence and challenges in scaling operations amidst a competitive market. The revenue figures alone don't tell the full story. Nikola has faced a continuous struggle with profitability. Since the first quarter of 2021, not a single quarter has shown a net profit. This enduring streak of net losses reveals deep-seated issues in financial management and operational efficiency. Despite generating revenue, the company has been unable to offset the heavy burdens of research and development, along with other operational costs. These financial challenges are a clear indicator of the hurdles Nikola faces in achieving a sustainable business model. Turning to the asset structure as of March 31, 2024, Nikola's total assets stood at $1.15 billion. Of this, 33% is in cash and cash equivalents, providing a cushion of liquidity that is crucial for day-to-day operations and investment in future growth. 42% of assets are tied up in property, plant, and equipment essential for Nikola's production capabilities, but also a reflection of significant capital investment that is yet to yield proportional returns. Inventory makes up 5% of the total assets, indicating a relatively small stockpile, which could be a strategic move to minimize holding costs amidst fluctuating demand. The financial numbers paint a stark picture of a company at a crossroads, needing strategic decisions to forge a path to profitability. As Nikola navigates these turbulent waters, the focus must not only be on managing current assets and liabilities, but also on innovating and adapting to market demands to secure a viable future in the electric vehicle industry. What does the future hold for Nikola? The answer may lie in the assets and strategies laid out today. Diving into Nikola's financial framework, we find a robust asset structure, with a significant portion tied up in fixed assets. As of the end of March 2024, Nikola's total assets stood at $1.15 billion. Of this, 42% is invested in property, plant, and equipment. This heavy allocation toward fixed assets illustrates Nikola's commitment to long-term growth and its potential capacity for increased production capabilities. However, the effectiveness of this asset utilization is pivotal. Nikola's future revenue heavily depends on its ability to roll out new vehicle models that resonate well with the market. The electric truck and hydrogen fuel cell sectors are rapidly evolving, and Nikola's success in these areas could be a game-changer. The company's focus on hydrogen infrastructure, including the development of refueling stations, could further bolster its position in the market, offering a unique selling proposition compared to competitors. Speaking of competition, it's fierce and unyielding. Nikola finds itself in a race with giants like Tesla and Rivian, companies that have already carved substantial niches in the electric vehicle market. To stand out, Nikola must not only innovate but also execute flawlessly. Strategic partnerships could play a crucial role here. Collaborations with technology and infrastructure firms could enhance Nikola's product offerings and operational efficiency, providing a much-needed edge in this cutthroat environment. In conclusion, the road ahead for Nikola is lined with both challenges and opportunities. The company's asset allocation and strategic initiatives have laid a foundation that could support substantial growth. Yet, the ability to capitalize on these assets and effectively respond to market demands and competitive pressures will determine Nikola's future trajectory. With the right moves, Nikola could transition from a period of turbulence to one of triumph in the electric vehicle market. As we've journeyed through the complexities of a Nikola Corporation, it's clear that investment decisions in such companies require a nuanced understanding. Nikola Corporation began with a bold mission to revolutionize the transport sector through electric and hydrogen fuel cell trucks. This vision captured the imagination of many, driving the stock to its peak in mid-2020. However, the revelation that promotional videos were manipulated led to a significant downturn, both in stock value and company reputation. Despite these setbacks, Nikola has shown resilience, maintaining some level of revenue and continuing its research and development efforts. The current market scenario for Nikola presents a mixed bag. With stock prices at a historic low following earlier controversies, the company faces a critical phase. Yet, it's essential to recognize the potential for recovery and growth. Nikola's significant assets, including cash reserves and property, position it to potentially capitalize on the increasing demand for sustainable transport solutions. Additionally, Nikola's focus on hydrogen fuel cell technology sets it apart in a niche market, which could lead to substantial gains if successfully exploited. Investing in Nikola could be viewed as high risk, high reward. The company's financial health has been shaky, with consistent losses over the past years. However, for those with an appetite for risk and a belief in the long-term viability of green transport solutions, Nikola might offer a unique investment opportunity. For more insights into Nikola and the evolving landscape of electric and hydrogen transportation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your engagement helps us bring more detailed analyses and updates. If you have thoughts or predictions about Nikola's trajectory, share them in the comments section below. We're particularly keen to hear how you perceive the future of this ambitious yet embattled company. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, the future of transportation is evolving, and keeping informed is key to navigating this dynamic industry. Subscribe and share your thoughts.